Are Lestro watches just too good to be true, or are they really the hidden gem of 2026? I know, with all those 5-star ratings and glowing Trustpilot reviews, it's tempting to hit that buy button right now. But let's slow down and take a closer look together. Lestro watches, selling mainly through lestrowatches.shop, are looking pretty legit, at least on paper. As of early 2026, they've got an excellent trust score and a perfect 5-star average on Trustpilot. But here's the catch. That's just 19 reviews. Not a ton, right? Whenever I see a new brand with a sky-high profile, I always wonder if there's more to the story. Now, it's easy to get sucked in by the affordable luxury pitch. But keep this in mind. Many brands are tossing around the word luxury these days. In reality, most of these watches use standard movements you'd find in much cheaper models. They might look great on your wrist, but don't expect the inner mechanics of a Swiss masterpiece. Here's what I do before buying from a newer watch shop. First, check for unique serial and model numbers. Real deal luxury watches always have them, and they should match somewhere in the manufacturer's database. Second, pay attention to customer support. If you only get vague, copy-pasted replies, that's a red flag. And if delivery takes forever, or they blame supplier delays, you might be looking at dropshipping. For peace of mind, I stick to trusted sites like Chrono24 or The Watch Factory when I want certification and a real warranty. Bottom line? Lestro watches look promising, but the low review count means you should shop smart. Use a credit card, keep your receipts, and watch out for anything that feels off. Stay sharp out there, and happy watch hunting.